So, done for today. Now, dyeing my hair because I don't have time to dye my hair back to the Philippines. Oh, English ako ng English to today, ah. Time check is, I don't know, probably 1 p.m. Ready to go out. So, nakikita ko ng mga uban ko, kaya dinala ko talaga yung aking pangkulay sa hair. So, yeah. Marinated for 30 minutes. Parang karne lang. Marinate talaga. While I'm having my rosé. Cheers, everybody. Kasi nakikita ako ng white hair on my hairs dito. Just here lang. White hair, you know, aging. You cannot stop that white hair. So, yes, that's it. I'll do it on my own. Yes. So, ayan. After 30 minutes, rinse. Voila. Bye.